ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Presiden Jongka United Democratic Party uba medba lingdo haba keren sikilat pathai khubor ula ong baka UDP kam Kwah ban Kynthoh AA halor ka Jingthaw Seng san perthai Thymmai Jongka Kynthoh uba Ardent Miller basayo moj barula ong bakim Kwah aru ban tuklar ya ka kam party Jongki Wei Henry kan syong hakipai ba ban bishar kanu ka party ka babiang. Uba med ba ulaong bakum bakalong menta na pedeng kiseng reulum kipai ba kipai khmat syaka UDP. Ula penken mau bakam menshwa ke UDP kala persang ban penyateli ya baro kiseng reulum Henry kampoi pat shano sonoru. Bad ulaong bakinam sange Henry kindang persang hi ban wanra ya ka jinyateli.
I have no comment on the other parties' affairs. I mean, what they feel is best for them. So, but at the end of the day, they have to be on the field for the election, they have to fight election. People will decide. People know much better than I know, actually, as far as new parties. I think as of now, let me share with you, I'm not saying that UDP only is the best, but as far as the feedbacks and views and opinions of the people of the state, they feel that now only UDP, which is the only regional party which is there for a long time. We do have HSPDP also, but looking into all angles, I think UDP is the party now that people are looking at. So we are pitching on that and see that how we can take the way forward as far as the party is concerned. I mean, UDP is part of the government, no doubt about it. We will not deny that. But I think when it comes to elections, we will definitely voice our concern also in whatever areas we feel like. Why we need UDP at that time. So more you will get it on the field during our campaign, and then we will clarify to the people. Because if I clarify everything here from the party side, I think then we have nothing to say, to the people at the.
They have their own way of functioning. We have our own way of functioning.
Yeah, so that's what. All sincere attempts have been made in the past to see that there's a unity as far as regional parties are concerned. But end of the day, we have seen that we could not. We could not. There are different reasons for that. So if you talk about reasons, there are hundreds of reasons for that. So we felt that now, meeting with our regional friends, keep on interacting with them, sharing with them, talking to them. I think maybe I don't lose hope on that as a president. And as a party also, we don't lose hope on that. We will continue that attempt to ensure that how we, as regional parties, come together as well.